There's our wreath that Mama made. It's cold out there. There's Mama and Dada's stockings, because Lark's stocking was too heavy. Our lights are outside and inside. Look, I'm doing the pan, the Christmas pan. There's our sousaphone with all the cards on it.
I can't do it, Mama. I'll do it out and make it up and dress.
Here's Lark on his bicycle. And here's our beautiful Christmas tree.
I'll do it. I want to open it. I'll open this one.
Okay, let's open them.
Push me.
Merry Christmas, Lark.
I'll go over there, Mama.
Okay, ready?
I'll go over there, Dad.
Lark, is that your new bicycle?
I'll go over there.
Lark, did Santa bring you that bicycle?
Yeah.
You love it?
Yeah.
You're riding it very well. In the dance studio. Whoop.
I think it's chocolate.
Do you want to say Merry Christmas to the camera?
Merry Christmas.
Okay.
I think it's chocolate.
Oh. Santa Claus and Mama and Dada. We love you. Merry Christmas, Lark. You can just pull that off. Merry Christmas, Lark.
Thank you. What is it?
What is it?
I don't know.
I don't know.
What is it? Let's find out and see.
Let's find out.
What can I see?
Oh, look at the snowman box. Underneath the Santa. That's Santa. He's very clever. Hold it like that and open it up. What is it? What is it? Are they ballet shoes?
Yeah.
Are they just what you wanted?
I just take them out.
Yeah, take out the paper. Is that just what you wanted from Santa? Ballet shoes and a puzzle? Did Santa get them for you?
Yeah.
Does that make you happy?
Yeah.
We'll say thank you to Santa.
Thank you.
You're welcome,
I'm
Lark.
gonna put them
Let's
on.
take your socks off first. Since we should be worn without socks. Yeah, let's put them on and point our feet. Okay, Lark putting on ballet shoes for the first time in his life. Let me help you. I'm a bit of an expert. Let's see if they fit. I think they do. Can you get them up on your heels? Here. There they go. They fit perfectly. Just perfectly.
Put my ballet shoes on.
Look at your ballet shoes. And now for the camera, can you point your foot? Point your foot. Oh, beautiful, Lark. Very nice. Yay! Can you get up and do this?